This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your hazardous weather briefing for Tuesday, December 10th of 2013. Well, we got a few hazardous weather highlights to be concerned with for the next 7 days. The main hazardous weather is, of course, going to be snow. But we'll start with some localized gale force winds that are possible for Lake Michigan and Lake Huron for late this afternoon and tonight. But they aren't expected to be too widespread. However, they could be out there in localized fashion. The main story is going to be snow. And we're going to start that off today and tonight with accumulating lake effect snow and blowing snow. This is going to be for portions of far northern and northwest lower and eastern upper Michigan, specifically for areas along and east of Interstate 75 for today in eastern upper Michigan, and then tonight for mainly areas north of M28 in Chippewa County. We do currently have warnings and advisories in effect. And then for the remainder of the work week, we're going to have more accumulating lake effect snows, which could end up being quite significant for portions of northwest lower Michigan and Chippewa County and eastern upper. More headlines are expected this work week. And again, that is the headline here, significant additional snowfall for this week. We look at the upper left-hand snow accumulation, which goes into tomorrow, Wednesday afternoon. And we do see that all of northwest lower and specifically Chippewa County are the areas highlighted here. We could see in excess of 5 to maybe as high as 10 inches for portions of northwest lower Michigan. But look up there in the far northwest section of Chippewa County where there could be snowfall up there close to 15 to 20 inches locally near Paradise and Whitefish Point. And then in the lower right-hand graphic there, the shaded in red areas are the greatest snows all the way through Friday. Again, pinpointing all of northwest lower and far northern lower, and specifically honing in on Chippewa County. Again, significant accumulations through the week, and obviously we're going to have some hazardous driving conditions out there. And with blowing snow, reductions in visibility, travelers and even work commuters will need to exercise more caution while driving. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast tomorrow morning around 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.